understand the extension. You can use my computer to search for it.
Yeah, then you simply, if you remember the name, something you should have in your mind, because computer should be guided to search. Like it's not that it will search itself. Then you, at least you should know the name
On the file.
or otherwise then it's something like just go to computer and keep searching every folder. Something at least you should know.
Okay, for example, we just created this file. Let's assume that now we don't remember the extension.
You just remember the name.
We just remember the initiative, which is
first letter.
First letter,
which is M.
Yeah, then you don't even remember the extension. Then you just put here in this box. You know, that's what I told you initially. You put, because you know that it starts with M. You put M, then you put star sign. You see, that's all. You put, and then because you don't know the extension, then you just say search.
Oh, you don't need to put my computer or whatever.
Look, that is the next phase. You will learn it.
Okay. All right.
Let me first explain this process.
Okay.
You see, everything on computer, whatever is starting with M,
will come out.
even if it's folder.
Okay.
Even if, like
File.
I told you what's the difference
The
between
file
folder
folder
and file.
yes.
Folder is always in the yellow color,
Yellow.
and it looks like some box
Yeah.
or something, but files are like this.
Yeah.
So you see, everything, whatever everything for which the name starts with M, it is coming.
Yes.
But then you have to do lot of work.
You look for it.
To keep doing like this, and keep your eye. But practically saying, let me let you know what happens when you are continuously working with computers. Automatically you develop the sense. Your logic develops because nobody is so much foolish or so much. Everybody is wise enough that he keeps working. He can remember in which software. Like if he is trained properly. If he's not trained properly, then it's different. But if he is trained properly, if he knows in which software he is working, then automatically the logic will develop in his mind that okay, this is the software which I use. So don't be so much. You need not to worry. I mean, it will develop in you. But only thing is that first you should learn that how you do it. Yeah.
We did it before.
So it's clear now.
Yeah.
We use now. Now we go to the next
We're
thing.
not supposed to put down the only M and the star. Finish. Okay.
So now these things are clear to you.
Yes.
Yeah. Now we go to next thing. You know that how to use the names, use of star sign, dot, extension. Now next thing comes here. Look in. What does mean look in? See? Look in is like where? Look in.
Where exactly?
For example, you say your child, go and bring my shoes. He will say where from where? Because he has to search. Look in. He will say where should I look in? The same word here used. What the child will say, Papa, where should I look in? In this cupboard, in this almirah or that room? Look in. Look in. So it's same. Look in is like where should I search? So here also, I will let you know right. Please listen first carefully because otherwise you don't understand this. Wako, you will understand or you want to come here? Okay. So look in means where did you save or where did you store your document? Mostly when you are working continuously with computers, this logic will develop in you. And that's why I already told you there are different drives, C drive, D drive, yeah, E drive. So in most of the cases, first thing should come in your mind is when you say look in. If you say my computer, then what will happen? It will search all the computers. For example, if it has 2 hard disks, E drive For example, it has C drive and D drive.
Right.
Then it will search in both.
Okay.
Yeah. But then if you remember, okay, I saved the file, I stored the file in D drive. Then what you do here, you need not to say my computer. You say you go here and you say, you see, automatically you see the different drives here. For example, you know it is in C drive, so you press C. So look in C drive. C drive.
In, document. Look in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look in C drive. And then if you say search, it will now show only the, now it is showing only documents, C drive. You see, here, C. Do you see this sign? That everything is in C.
Okay, the C drive.
This is what I told you, this is called path, if you remember. C drive, column, and
Okay.
yeah. Path is like, if you want to enter in that room, how you come? First this door, here, and then there. Same like this. Yeah? So look in is clear to you?
Yes.
And it also can happen, it's not necessary that you look in C drive only. You can also look in D drive, you can look in A drive or something, whatever it is. So you have to, wherever you saved, you can search there. So look in is very simple, like you know that where you store your document. And for example, maybe it may be in different way, like if we go to this if I go to my computer here, you may have created some folder on the C drive. Yeah. So that also is possible. You can also search in some folder. Yeah. You know it's a folder in C drive. You made some folder and there you stored your document, but you don't remember that name. That is also possible.
But you know it's in C drive.
It's in C drive, and in C drive there is another folder and you have to search in that folder. That also is possible. Yeah, like, because I know, that's what I'm again and again telling you, because when you will keep working with computers, you will always this will develop in you. You make folders to store your data. That's what if you remember, I gave you one example once. If you remember, we had created some documents for WAPO, and where I gave you example that it may be 2 people or 3 people working on the computer. Yeah.
Yeah.
And it can happen that everybody wants to keep his data separate. So that is also possible. You create your folder. So in case you know that you know the folder, then you can also look in the folder directly. So how you can do it here? You can do it 2 ways. Like here, you just write. For example, here, there are 2-3 ways I will let you know. For example, there is a folder